My name is Samantha and I am from South Jersey, and currently I am the VISTA leader for the Advancement Foundation VISTA project, which currently has 18 members. I joined AmeriCorps originally last year. I was with the Appalachian Coal Country team, and it was a watershed organization, and it was surrounded by we dealt with a lot of environmental issues, and it was just a chance to hone the skills that I had developed in college. But I had originally joined the Advancement Foundation program because of the opportunity to motivate and to coach people who are going through the VISTA program now, and so far it's a really rewarding experience. With the Advancement Foundation so far, this year has been challenging, but it's also been really rewarding. Dealing with and working with so many people who are so different than you and have such different personalities, but want the same thing, but at the same time have different life goals for themselves, is challenging, to say the least, but it's a lot of fun. If anyone had come to me and asked if they should do VISTA, I would say that they should. You get to meet so many different people that you wouldn't necessarily get to meet in your day-to-day life, and you gain so many skills in a year that it would take you 5 to 10 years in a regular organization to learn. V is for invigorating.